How to fix Ticketmaster Error Code 0007. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. So move into the App Store of your device. In the source bar, search for Ticketmaster, and then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing the error. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Well, once you have got the updated version of the app, now, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General, and then move into iPhone Storage. In the search bar, search for Ticketmaster and then move into it. Now, click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.